In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Constant Contact account. If you are trying to get started with email marketing and you want an easy guided setup, this walkthrough will help you create your account from the first page to the final onboarding steps. First, go to the Constant Contact website. On your computer or mobile browser, open a new tab and navigate to the Constant Contact site. Take a moment to make sure the page has fully loaded so you can see the main call to action buttons clearly. Next, enter your email address. Look for the field that prompts you to type your email. Enter an email you have access to because you will use it to create the account and then sign in going forward. After you type it, double-check the spelling before moving on, since an incorrect email can slow down the process. Then, click Start Free Trial. This button is usually designed to begin the sign-up process right away. When you click it, the page will likely move to the next section where you will set up the rest of your account details. If you see a confirmation message or a transition screen, just let it finish loading. After that, create a password. Look for the password field and enter a secure password that you can remember. The site may show password requirements, such as minimum length or preferred character types. Make sure you meet the requirements so the system accepts your password and you do not get stuck later. Now enter your first name and last name. You will see two separate fields, one for your first name and one for your last name. Type your details exactly as you want them to appear on your account. This helps keep your profile consistent if you ever need to manage billing, notifications, or account settings. Once your name and password are entered, click Get Started. This action submits your information and moves you into the main setup area. At this point, it is normal for the page to refresh or for a new step to appear, since Constant Contact is preparing your workspace. Next, complete the onboarding steps. Onboarding steps are the guided tasks that help you configure your account and begin using the platform. Depending on what the site asks for, you may be asked to confirm certain preferences or complete basic setup fields. Stay focused on the prompts that appear on screen and follow them in order. If there is a progress bar or a series of steps, work through each one until you reach the final confirmation. As you complete onboarding, pay attention to anything that affects how your account will be used. For example, you might be prompted to choose the type of contact lists you plan to create, or to set up the basics needed to start sending or managing campaigns. Completing these steps now can save you time later, because it reduces the amount of setup you must do after you start using Constant Contact. Finally, your Constant Contact account is ready to use. Once onboarding is complete, the site should take you to your dashboard or the next main area where you can start building your email campaigns and contact lists. At this stage, take a quick moment to confirm that you can access your dashboard and that all the account details you entered were accepted. And that covers everything you need to know. You have successfully created your Constant Contact account, and you are ready to start.